Hello everyone, I'm Juyu. Today I will share with you a model V8 engine and model gearbox combined case. One side is a precise gearbox, a precision transmission spore that can shift smoothly. One side has a surging sound wave and powerful power output. When the two are combined, the smoothness and explosive power of the model are no longer options. Next, I will take you to see the whole process of this peak rationality. First, replace the original flywheel. It uses a tightening sleeve connection method. The advantage is easy to install, good centering. The disadvantage is that the torque is limited. If the torque is too large, it will slip easily. Its locking force comes from these 3 screws. Here, a flat thrust bearing is added. Its function is to transfer the thrust of the clutch to the body, reduce the axial pressure during the crankshaft's run. Tighten the locking sleeve screws. Here, we must follow the principle of uniform force. Otherwise, it will easily cause the flywheel to be eccentric, or even cause the tightening sleeve to fail. The clutch is a diaphragm clutch. Its production process in the Audi 100 DBS is shown in the collection of this car. Interested friends can watch it at once. I won't introduce it here. Contact machine voltage. Before the start test, we need to wrap this distributor be wrapped in metal materials to shield the signal. Otherwise, when the distributor works, it will interfere with the receiver and the base. This is also a common problem of distributor. I use tinfoil here to make a simple shielding cover. Okay. Since the engine is not mine,
I'm entrusted to.
Subjective test. Can't do to violent operations here.
Operation.
If possible, I will conduct a deep evaluation of this engine. That's all for today's video, and that's it.